Good morning, everybody. We're going to be making peanut butter coffee cake. So I sprayed the bottom and the sides of a 9x9-inch baking dish with nonstick cooking spray, and my oven is preheated to 375. I'm going to start off with the crumb topping, and in a bowl I have a half cup of light brown sugar that has been packed, and I'm going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour to that. I'm going to mix this up with a whisk. I've added in 3 tablespoons of diced up butter cold and unsalted butter, and then I'm adding in 3/4 cup of creamy peanut butter. I'm going to cut all this in with a fork. At least starting off, I might switch over to a pastry blender. Okay, so I have that all mixed together. I'm going to put that to the side, and we're going to start on the cake. In a bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm adding 3/4 cup of light brown sugar that has been packed. This is 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm whisking this all together, and then I'm going to put it to the side, and I'm going to do the cream mixture in another bowl. I've creamed together half a cup of unsalted butter that was softened to room temperature with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to add in 2 eggs, one at a time, and I'm going to stir it in between. Now I'm adding 1 cup of milk, whole milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to mix this together now. So it will be kind of lumpy, that's okay. And I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of creamy peanut butter now. Stir it together. I'm going to add the dry to the wet, about a cup at a time. So I spread it out in a pan evenly, and now I'm going to evenly put the crumb topping on top. I'm sprinkling on 1/4 cup of chopped peanuts now, and I'm going to bake this for 40 to 50 minutes. So I want it to be set. The sides should look well done, and the center should come out with a toothpick almost completely clean. It will be slightly not clean because of the peanut butter, but it will be done. Cool in the pan at least 15 minutes before slicing, and there is my peanut butter coffee cake. I hope you guys like my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.